Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health and nutrition coach. Thanks so much for stopping by. November is Diabetes Awareness Month in America. So for the next 4 weeks, we'll be covering topics about diabetes. And this week's topic is a continuation from last week's topic. What is diabetes? The link is above and in the description below. And today we will be talking about what a normal blood sugar level looks like. All right, so let's get started.
Chart of the blood glucose level over time for 3 different people. So on the bottom, which is the horizontal, that represents time in minutes, and then the vertical line represents the blood glucose, okay? So these are 3 different people. Like I said, the first one has a normal insulin response or blood glucose. The other one here in blue is impaired glucose, and this could be pre-diabetes. So I will cover that in a separate video, so stay tuned. And then the red curve represents folks with diabetes, type 1, 2, or gestational. All right, so looking at this before a meal, a normal blood glucose would be 99 or below. For someone who has impaired glucose or pre-diabetes, it's between 100 and 125. And then for a person who has diabetes, their blood glucose level before eating is about 126 or above. Okay, so that's already a big difference there. Now, when the person eats, the insulin rises along with the amount of sugar in the body. Okay, so let's take a look what a normal person would have for their blood sugar during a meal. So it should rise to about 140 tops for normal people. And then for people who have pre-diabetes, it's between 140 and about 199, that is the range. And then for folks who have diabetes, it's about 200 or more. Okay, so again, here are the differences. Okay, so that's about 60 minutes, and then 90 minutes, you can tell that it's going down. But for some folks here with pre-diabetes, you can tell that there's still a high amount of sugar in the blood, as well as the people with diabetes. So about 2.5 hours later, you should have a very low blood sugar because you don't have any more food in your body, and your body is processing all this glucose. But for folks who have pre-diabetes or diabetes, you can tell that the sugar is still in the blood. Okay, so this is what we want to avoid and take care of, because it can lead to heart disease, kidney disease, blindness, and amputation.
That wraps up our video, what a normal blood sugar level looks like. So if you all have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you all so much. See y'all next week, where we'll be continuing our talk about diabetes. And remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.